Cambridge IGCSE English as a second language, and now we are going to talk about paper 2, that is listening. Total marks for this paper 40, but the weightage of this paper in overall grades for this subject is 30%. Time limit will be 50 minutes, so you will have to complete this paper in 50 minutes. There will be 5 exercises consist of 40 MCQs. You will have to listen a lot of listening files to identify and understand sometimes maybe factual detail and specific information in a range of spoken text and from a variety of other sources, and you have to identify sometime and understand speakers ideas, opinions, feelings and attitudes in a range of spoken context and from a variety of sources. It can be monologues, it could be short conversations, interviews, plays, films, news feeds, TV interviews, podcasts, radio programs, announcements like phone messages, audio text. It can be shorter or longer. And you also have sometimes to show an understanding of the connections between ideas, opinions, feelings, and attitudes in a range of spoken contexts and from a variety of sources. And sometimes again you have to show understanding of what is implied but not directly stated. So this the type of text and the nature of the text that you will listen to can vary from different contexts and from wide range of context. So let's go into the details. So what would be there in 5 exercises that you will have to solve? Some audio files will be played for you. You will have the chance to listen them twice, but some you will listen only once, and you will have to fill the exercise. So in exercise 1, you will have to listen to 8 short extracts on familiar and accessible topics. For each extract, there is one multiple choice question with 4 visual options. So for each multiple choice question, you will have 4 visual options, and you will select the correct option like A, B, C, or D. And the questions test understanding of information or ideas expressed by the speaker. So each question is worth 1 mark. Text type can be a range of text types, including monologues, dialogues, conversations, recorded messages, announcements, news items, extracts from radio programs. And this first exercise will have total 8 marks. Now, to practice all this listening paper, you must listen to a lot of English audio files or videos you may watch to practice for this paper. You should listen to a lot of English audios at home, at school, or in your online classes at Imad Online Academy. In exercise 2, you will have 5 short extracts, listening files. You will answer 2 multiple choice question per text. So if you will have 5 audio extract, it means total you will have 10 multiple choice question, because 2 multiple choice question for each file. Each question has 3 written options, which may be words or short phrases, and you will have to select the correct option, A, B, or C. These questions test your understanding of details, opinions, ideas, and implied information expressed by the speakers. And each question in these questions of exercise 2 is worth 1 mark. So in total, you will have 10 marks for this exercise. Then let's move to the third exercise. Sorry for interruption. Exercise 3, you will have to listen to a monologue. Do you know what is a monologue? Yes. Monologue is one person just speaking with himself or just giving a speech, but there is no one else involved in the conversation but the person, the speaker himself. So, monologue, you will have to complete 8 sentences by selecting the correct answer from 3 written options, A, B, or C. You will have noticed that in first exercise they say visual options, but here you have written options. Visual options mean there will be pictures and images of different things, and you will have to choose one that is right option. Each option, so in exercise 3, is either a word or short phrase. The sentences test understanding of information and main ideas expressed by the speaker, and each question is worth 1 mark. So Text type that you will have to listen here is a monologue or talk or presentation. So it will have total 8 marks for exercise 3. Then in listening paper you will have exercise 4. In exercise 4 you will have to listen to 6 short monologues. Again, there are monologues in this question, but 6 short monologues. This is a multiple matching task, and for each extract, candidates or you will select from a choice of 8 statements. The statements test details, opinions, ideas, and implied information expressed by the speaker. So, idea, opinion, what is the speaker saying? They may ask you what each speaker is saying or what is he implying. So, when we say implied meaning, it means you will have to work out for it. You will have to listen it to very deep extent to have true understanding of it. And each question is worth 1 mark. So text type here will be short monologues that you will listen. Total 6 marks are there for this exercise. Then comes exercise 5. In this exercise you will listen to an interview between two speakers. You will have to answer 8 multiple choice questions. Each question has 3 written options, A, B, or C, which may be words, phrases, or short sentences. The question tests understanding that how well you understood when you listened to these audio files, what the speaker expressed, the opinions, ideas, or implied information. Each question is worth 1 mark, and the text type that you will listen to is a short interview. And total you will have 8 marks. So 8, 6, 14, and then 8, 22, and then 10, 32, and then 8, 40. So your listening paper will be 40 marks. So in the next video we will talk about the syllabus and paper pattern of our speaking paper, paper 3, and then we will go through May June 2024 3 papers, reading and writing, paper 1 listening, and then paper speaking.